Hi, my name is Eugene, and this will be a short demo of my project for mobile computing with Android and iPhone. My project is an XM Online radio client for Android called XMobile. It's used to connect to XM Online radio service and listen to and record available content. Let's get started. The first screen of the application is the login screen. On the login screen, the user enters their username and password. There are some checks on the fields here. For example, the username has to be a valid email address, and if it's not, the user will see an informative pop-up message. And similarly, both fields need to be populated. There will also be feedback with regard to incorrect username and password information. So if the user enters an incorrect password, they should receive a message saying that their login or password were rejected. Okay, so once the user enters the correct information, there will be a session opened, and they can proceed to the next screen where they can select the channel and the streaming speed. And they will also receive this message saying that they have logged in. So on the next screen there will be two spinners. The first one will enable the user to select the channel to listen to, and this list will be populated directly from the XM Online service. The application will query the server for the channel list. It will receive back an XML file which it will parse and populate this list. So it will always be up to date if there are any channel updates. This will change as well. So the user can select one of the channels, and you will notice as the user changes channels, the information will also change to reflect what's currently playing on the channel. The second spinner is the streaming speed spinner. Most of the time the user will probably want to stream at 64 kilobit per second, but if they are on a slower connection, then the 32 kilobit speed might give them a better listening experience. So one of the features that's not implemented yet is the favorites menu, and it will be activated by the menu button here, and users will be able to set and select up to 10 channels as favorites. So once the user makes a selection of the channel and the streaming speed, they can click the listen button to proceed to the next screen. The next screen is the play and record screen, and most of the functionality is not yet implemented here, but I will describe the plan for how things will function. The audio will actually start playing in the transition from previous screen to this screen, and the play button here will actually be in the stop state. So the user can click the stop button to stop the playback, and then click it again to resume it. And clicking the record button will bring up It'll bring up a file name dialog where the user will be able to specify the name of the file to record to. And to stop the recording, the user can click on the record button again, and that will save the audio to a file that they specified. The information area here will function similarly to the previous screen, and it will be updated every 30 seconds. And that's the way actually that the official client does it. And also the presets menu will be available from this screen. It will be activated by the menu button. So this concludes the quick demo of the state of the project, and thank you for watching.